A wrongful death civil rights lawsuit was filed against the city of Coos Bay this week, more than a year after 33-year-old Nathan Bradford Smith died shortly after being arrested. Aside from the city itself, other defendants named in the lawsuit include 3 Coos Bay police officers. The lawsuit, filed by lawyers on behalf of Smith's mother, states that on July 7, 2024, Coos Bay Police received 3 calls regarding Smith at different locations throughout Coos Bay, and he appeared to be smoking meth during those interactions. When police met Smith again around 5 p.m. at a Motel 6 on Bayshore Drive, police vehicle footage shows Smith lying on his back on the curb near the roadway, flailing his arms before being arrested and placed back in the back of the patrol car. The lawsuit states Smith could be heard breathing heavily on body cam footage while suffering from a medical episode that required medical attention.
Any reasonable officer would have known that they were supposed to call for an EMT, an ambulance, somebody to first evaluate him. It's clear he would have been sent to an ER where life-saving measures could have been taken. Instead, he was put in the back of this police vehicle that did not have working windows, driven 1.5 miles away from the hospital, and then was left to sit in the back seat while the officer went upstairs in the precinct and appears to check TikTok and replied to some text messages.
Smith was arrested for disorderly conduct. Coos Bay police officer Benjamin Martin allegedly arrived at police headquarters at 5:13 p.m., leaving Smith in the vehicle while he went inside of the building. Police vehicle footage shows Smith shaking and slumping over before Martin returned to the car 8 minutes later to find Smith unconscious. Martin administered Narcan, then called an ambulance, but Smith later died of cardiac arrest at Bay Area Hospital.